So this is the 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper in diamond black with the 19-inch cross-flow wheels. And I just wanted to see how much space we actually get in the trunk and whether it can handle some real life stuff. So let's open it up. There we go. As you can see, right now I have a 65-inch TV inside the box here, and then the adjustable standing desk from Costco and a few moving boxes as well. And honestly, everything just fits in pretty easily. Let's take a closer look. So that's the Costco adjustable desk that has fit in perfectly, and here are some moving boxes on top of it. So everything has fit in perfectly. It doesn't feel like I had to force anything in, and you can still move things around without being tight. And even after all this, there's still a bit of space left over, which is actually surprising. This is how it looks from the second row passenger seats, and with the seats folded down, so you're getting around 76 cubic feet of space, which sounds like a big number, but seeing it like this in real use, it actually makes more sense. So for things like moving, picking up larger item, or even just daily use, this is actually very practical. I didn't expect it to fit this much, but it does a pretty good job overall. Let me know what you think.